Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel TN So this is a second part of a video where I made this mold, and I will link that video in my above here and description as well, where you can find how I made it by growing crystals. So let's make a coaster out of this mold and let's see how it turned out. So yeah, I'm not going with a simple way here. What I'm doing here is I am adding a Druzy mold into this mold. So this is a test for this mold, that how it turned out. So what I did here is I have taken this turquoise transparent pigment, and I have mixed a very low viscosity resin here that take around 2 to 3 days to cure. So just a little bit of this turquoise color into the resin. The reason behind that, I want to give it a look that the recycled bottle you might have seen, it has a little bit of blue tint to it, not totally white. So I'm doing that here. So I'm mixing my pigment into the resin. So my resin is mixed now, and I am adding this resin into my mold now, making sure my resin is secured. It will not move. So now I'm slowly pouring my resin. So one mistake that I have made here is that I poured this ultra viscosity, low viscosity resin in this really chilly weather. So instead of 2 to 3 days, it took around a week to cure. So yeah, that's why this video got delayed. So now after adding my tinted resin, and I will be topping it off with the clear one. So just using my heat gun to remove the bubbles. So another step that I'm adding to this mold is that I am using this holographic sheet onto top. And from the center, I am slowly releasing this to the outward, avoiding any air bubbles, really slowly. So now we let it cure. So yeah, after about a week, still it's not that curable, but I can remove it from the mold. So get ready for a crunchy ASMR. finally out of the mold. So yeah, again I got some resin on the Druzy, but not a problem, I will remove it. But overall I am happy with the design of the mold. So this was really a test piece. Later on I know the possibilities. I can make around different techniques in this coaster. I can make the effects and a lot of other ideas. So for now I'm using my heat gun just to warm up the resin. Even though my resin is really soft, I can pull it, but still I'm using a heat gun just to make it extra soft. And with this dotting tool I am just pulling the resin up. And now with the help of the scissors I will cut it. If my resin had been dried, fully cured, it might have been not a problem and it can be removed easily, but here my resin is still soft, so I need to cut it. So slowly I am just removing this. Now it's been removed and let's demold this Druzy. And this is how it turned out. Okay, I really love how sparkly it is, but one thing is bothering me here. Is the back of this holographic coaster. It's not as shiny as one wanted it. So when I got the holographic sheets, I got some mix of them. I got some that were matte and got some they are shiny. So I will be redoing the holographic again. So this is the next day. It's a bit now workable, not that soft. So what I'm doing here is I will be adding a clear resin on the top. So when I was doing the top coat, when the resin hit the coaster and that Druzy area, it got so sparkly. It was almost like there are crystal and gemstones. So part of me wanted it to leave it like that, but again the holographic was coming very strongly. I wanted to do it. So after spreading the resin on the top, on the bottom, so this is another holographic sheet that I've made. I will link the video where I've made this one. This is on the clear side, shiny side. So I'm adding it again the same way from the center, releasing it to the towards the outward, avoiding any air bubble. So there we go, and I will leave it to cure again for a day. So this is the next day and let's see how it turned out. So here I think you can see what I was talking about, that for with the first sheet I didn't got that clear effect, but this one I got the shiny. So this is how it turned out. So this is how it turned out, and I really love the Druzy. I know there is a lot of Druzy in this coaster, but this was again a test piece, but I just wanted to see how the mold turned out. So there will be many more videos I will be doing with this mold now. But again, I really love how it turned out. And that hint of blue did give that old recycle bottle effect. So it was a journey making this mold, but it's worth it. I really try to make my videos a bit more on the different side, a bit, I think might be difficult for a lot of you, but trust me, you get always different results. So this can be a beautiful crystal dish or a jewelry dish or a ring dish for you. So I hope you like this quick process. It was really not quick, it was weeks for me, but I really wanted to show you how it turned out because a lot of you were waiting on this video. Thumbs up if you like the video, and also please like, subscribe and share. And if you haven't subscribed, please considering do so. And I do make a lot of different videos, as you can see, and some of them are lengthy, but still there are new ideas here. Again, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.